All right, as we look at those two problems, you're going to figure out how do I split up these 7x's to make this be able to factor by grouping. So in order to split up so the factoring by grouping works, we have to figure out what two numbers will go here in front of x that multiply to be 2 times 3, which is 6, and add to be 7. And that would be 1 and 6. Okay, because 1 plus 6 is 7. So it really doesn't matter where you put these. 1 here, 6 here. So when I underline the first two terms, the only thing they have in common is an x. So I end up with 2x plus 1. If I underline the second two terms, they both have a 3 in common. So this would be 2x, 3 divided by 3 is 1 as well. Okay. So now that I factored out an x here and a 3 here, I can look and say, oh, they both have a 2x plus 1. I can take out of both these terms, so 2x plus 1. And I have here left an x plus 3. Okay. All right, if you have, you can pause the video and do number 3, and then check, or I'm going to go through that now. Okay, so how do I split up the 7x's now? So these two have to add up to be 7, but they need to multiply to be 3 times negative 6, which is negative 18. So I know that the smaller one's negative, positive one is going to be the larger. Oh, hey, Mr. Kumar. So as you go through, and I don't want to go through the whole list, but if you want, you can do 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, and once again, the smaller one will be the negative. So here are your two numbers. Okay. I notice when you come back to this, a lot of people find those numbers and just think, oh, well, factors would be x minus 2, x plus 9. Okay, but that's not the case. These are just how you split up your x's through factor by grouping. Okay, so the two values here, doesn't matter which order, negative 2 and 9. And now we can do our grouping. Okay, underline the first two terms. They both have an x. Okay, you still have the 2 left over. And underline the second two terms. They both have a 3 as a common factor. And if you did it right, if they do work factor by grouping, they both have a common expression. You can pull that out. I have an x left here and a 3 left here. All right, so that is factoring when a is not 1. Go ahead and do 1.8 practice, and then you'll be able to move on to objective 2.